Okay, I completely deleted the previous Mach 3 directory with no UC100 and then copied in a new Mach 3 directory with the UC100 installed. There's no other copies on the computer. I'm going to start the loader, go to turn as normal. It'll start up. Ask me if I'm going to use the UC100. Say OK. Hit reset. If you look in the plugins, the UC100 is running the correct version and the sync is actually enabled. I'll go to manual like I did the last time to set a homing position. I want to first zero the world. So let me move just a little bit here because it came in with 0. So we'll move just a little bit and I'll hit 0 world, and you'll see that I get no reaction out of 0 world. I can't do anything with it. I can come up here and zero it at the top, but when I hit 0 world again, then it'll throw in whatever numbers it likes to throw in there instead of zeroing it. It'll always throw in some sort of number. If I go to machine coordinates, and then I set this as home and set this as home, now it zeroes the axes. But if I go back to program coordinates and 0 world, sometimes this will actually throw numbers back up in there. Something's happening with the UC100 where it will change numbers in not just the axis position DROs. It will change feed rates sometimes. It just seems to be somehow bleeding back through the software to make changes that you didn't ask for. So now I do actually have a 0 home, and program coordinates on the 0 world is staying. If I make a move here and I make a move again on X, I should be able to hit 0 world and start this over from here, but it won't allow me to do it. So there's a definite problem here with the DROs. I think Z just changed, but it did not zero. If I go to machine coordinates and part coordinates, if you notice, they're all changing. So there's something messing with the DROs in here, and I believe we get this straightened out. The last threading pass I did, everything actually started working right and it didn't go nuts, and it actually cut a very good thread with no problems. I don't think this has got anything to do with the sync part of this, because the sync stayed exactly, carried the thread, and then I actually restarted the same thread and it restarted exactly in the same groove and threaded perfectly. So that was only after I got this to settle down. So this is where I would start. I mean, any questions, let me know.